Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You already have two essentials: WordPress admin and a Google account. Start now by installing SiteKit and activating it. This creates the connector between your site and Google services. Once done, click Start Setup and follow the permission prompts. These let SiteKit read analytics and search data so it can show insights. Make sure to choose the same Google account you use for analytics and Search Console. Otherwise, you may link the wrong property and need to reauthorize. You'll now connect Analytics, Search Console, and optionally AdSense. Start with Search Console so your site is verified, then connect Analytics to enable tracking. Choose an existing property or let SiteKit create a new one for you, depending on your setup. Grant full permissions when prompted. This avoids partial connections that show errors. If you use two-step verification, expect an extra sign-in. Complete it to finish authorization. After each connection, verify the green success indicator on the SiteKit dashboard. You're almost done. Open the SiteKit dashboard and confirm that Analytics and Search Console show data. Check real-time reports to ensure tracking works. Enable page-level tracking or snippets if needed, and review the modules area for any warnings. If something goes wrong, reauthorize SiteKit from settings and clear any caching plugins before retrying. Often the issue is a cached header blocking the verification. If Search Console shows a verification error, fix the HTML tag or DNS record, then retry verification.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.